guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. Got an interesting lock here. Brand new in the package. Sent to me by a really good friend of mine, legendary lock sporter Bill BACARDI out of Windy City, Chicago, Illinois. Yeah, this is just... He sent this to me a long while back. Did a package opening video, but sometime over a year ago. And I remember asking him to find me one, and he was nice enough to send me one out of his collection, brand new out of the box. Look at that. Just beautiful. So bear with me today. I've not picked one of these before. Yeah. Illinois Lock Company. Look at that. A little patina. Just beautiful. Now, to my understanding, these things have 3 rows. One on the right. Top right, top left, and lower left, I think. Let's take a look at that. So yeah, we're gonna try this together, guys. I don't know how the first picks go. They could be long. Let's see, man. Key only goes in one way because of that extra row of pins that's cut on the one side, which you can see there. Maybe not. Yeah, I'll get back to you with that key. Brass keys. So let's see how I'm gonna... your vision gets worse and worse and worse. Trying to figure out how I'm going to attack this thing. Let's see. Get a pry bar. Guess we could try that. Oh, that went into a fault set. Well, we say it's a fault set, but these are wafers. And what actually I should mention, it was Adam Harris was doing one of these, and I mentioned in the comments that I have to find mine. Okay, the right side looks like they're set. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna double check the right side again. I got a click there. I might have missed something. Might have missed one of these top pins here. Or bottom pin, sorry. Bottom left, but I think I've got the lock the other way. The right side, all the pins were set. They were pretty pronounced when they set. So whatever's holding me back has got to be here on the left side. I need to reposition this tensioner before it goes on me. A good click there. Double check the other side again. A little bit of movement there. Again, I have movement. I'm going to put the tensioner on the other side for a second. I want to make sure that I've not missed the first one on this side. Got distracted there for a second. There we go. We got it open on the last one on the right hand side. Wow, not bad. Like I said, that's the first time crack on camera, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm sure I could get it quicker with a little bit of playing around, but at the end of the day, guys, it's done. The Illinois Duo from my great friend Bill BACARDI, legendary Bill BACARDI. Go back and see his channel. Well over 250 challenge locks in the community. And a great locksmith at that. And I can't be thankful enough and say thank you to Bill for this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe. Leave a comment, guys. I appreciate it again. Patience, practice, perseverance. And we'll see you guys at the next one. I'll put some close-up pictures of this. Stay well.